guys, what's up? It's Alli. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to keep your dorm and apartment smelling nice and clean. I already did one of these videos in the past and it's already been over a year since I posted that video, which is so crazy. That was back when I was living on campus in a dorm with a roommate, but now I don't. Now I live at home. And you guys really seem to like that video and really found it helpful, which literally warms my heart because it's like, I just did that because like, I'm just sharing what I do, and the fact that it helps you guys out is like, it's just so nice. So I wanted to do a part 2 because like I said, it's already been over a year and I have so many more tips to share with you guys. So I'm really excited to share them in today's video. I hope this helps you guys out. If it does, make sure to give a big thumbs up and leave your tips in the comments down below too to help each other out. And yeah. Without further ado, let's get started. Oh yeah, I don't even think we've addressed the elephant in the room. I did something different with my makeup today. Do you guys like it? I don't know if it's like too much, too little, I don't know. I'm totally kidding. I got my hair done. I have box braids now, which is so exciting. Do you guys like it? I absolutely love it. They're really long too. And it's super cute. I love it. It's something super different. You guys know I don't really do a lot of different stuff with like my hair, my makeup, none of that. But I really wanted to try out box braids and I'm so happy I did because I'm like absolutely obsessed with them and the color and everything. I just love it. So yeah, there's that. I also got my nails done yesterday and I got them like, I don't know if you guys can see, like light pink and then an accent nail. I'm honestly obsessed with them. I literally love them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing else really to say. Without further ado, let's get on to the tips. So the first tip I have is to get an essential oil diffuser. And I have said this before, but I feel like this is such an essential that I have to state it in like every video, especially if you live in a dorm. I know you most likely can't light candles. Doesn't mean you shouldn't. You know, you don't want your RA coming in and being like, is that a candle? If you do want to follow the rules or you just like simply don't have a candle, definitely get a essential oil diffuser. And like I said, of course I'd mentioned this, but it's essential. It's essential. First off, it helps you from getting sick. Like it keeps you from getting sick. It helps clear the air in your room, which can prevent you from getting sick. Definitely make sure you have an essential oil diffuser, not only to make your room smell good, but to make your air fresher and cleaner. It's just a win-win, you know? Next, get a candle wax melter. And I didn't even know what this was until a few months ago. My mom actually has one. You guys know when like a candle's done, but it still has like this much left of it. And it's like, okay, well, I wanna burn this, but it's not letting me burn it. And especially when it's like a really good candle or like your favorite scented candle, it's literally the worst. So these are literally amazing, like the best invention ever. So basically, you get the candle wax, and you scrape it out. You can scrape it out with a knife or whatever. You put it on the little thing, the little candle wax melter, and it smells like the candle. It smells so warm and nice, and I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. I want one for myself. What I love about this is I love mixing candle scents. So I can get any candle scent I want and mix it up and just like make this beautiful combined scent. So yeah, I love candle wax melters. Honestly, I should be sponsored, but I will leave the link in the description box down below so you guys can buy one for yourself. They're honestly not even that expensive, so totally college friendly. Next little tip I have is to use scented trash bags. And honestly, this makes such a difference and you wouldn't think so. You should be taking out your trash very regularly, whatever that means for you. Honestly, if you're living in a dorm, you should be taking out your trash every day. I don't see why you shouldn't. Like, you're at least leaving your dorm at least once. I know a lot of people are quarantined and whatever, and it's like a whole different story. If you're not quarantined and you can leave your dorm, definitely change your trash bags all the time. Like, the more the better, honestly. So yeah, they have the Febreze scented trash bags. Pick up the scent that you like the most, and honestly, it'll make a huge difference. Like, you'll walk into your room and you'll smell a trash bag. It's literally kind of crazy. Another thing with taking out your trash, this tip is so slept on. I feel like nobody does this. At least I never hear people talking about doing this, but clean your fridge. If you have old food in your fridge, most likely, not even like your room is smelling bad, it's just like dirty in the air. I don't know how to explain it, but I really hope you guys know what I mean. I'm just kind of like grossed out buy like old food. I don't even know if it helps your room smell better, but like, I know it just helps like the atmosphere feel cleaner. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah, just clean your fridge. Just clean out your fridge. I know you haven't done it since you moved in on campus, and I know there's some old Chipotle in there, so just throw it out. Do it right now. Don't even, just pause this video and do it right now. I'm waiting. You're back? Hey girl, what's up? Or boy, what's up? All right, cool. Cool, now that our fridge is clean, we can move on to the next tip. This is, oh my gosh. Guys, this is the biggest tip of the video, especially if you live in a dorm. Okay, I'm gonna need you to do something for me. I'm gonna need you to go into your room, go into either your closet, go into your shoe rack, literally wherever you need to go to find your tennis shoes, your sneakers, your Jordans, your Air Force Ones, Nike, Adidas, anything. I'm gonna need you to find your sneakers, especially your most worn sneakers, especially the sneakers that you wear everything with, and I'm gonna need you to wash them. I don't wanna be rude, but most likely they don't smell too good. And I know there's like a ton of videos on YouTube on how to wash them. I'm not gonna tell you how to wash your sneakers because it varies depending on your sneakers. Like there's some sneakers where I'll just be like, just throw it in the washing machine. It'll be fine. Just like put them out to dry. And there's some sneakers where I'm just like, literally don't even touch them. Like I don't even want them near you. Like don't even breathe near them. Like, you know, so there's probably tons of TikTok videos teaching you how to clean your shoes properly, especially if they're like your beloved shoes. There's also a lot of videos out on YouTube on how to clean them. I know that I usually just put like a little bit of like fabric softener in them, and then I kind of just like let them wash in the washer a little bit, and then I put them out to dry. Like rinse them out obviously, and then put them out to dry. But then other shoes, I wash them by hand, and it's just, it depends on what you need to do. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure that you're cleaning your shoes. I recommend using either dryer sheets or fabric softener. Mostly your running shoes, I feel like those are the ones that mostly need attention. So yeah, just make sure you're looking out for your sneakers. Yeah, I mean, they're a closed-toed shoe. You're gonna sweat, you know? So make sure you're cleaning them so they stay smelling fresh. We have come to the end of this video. I cannot believe it's been over a year since I did my first one. I'm so happy to be here again telling you guys tips for your dorm room. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also make sure to go ahead and follow me on social media. They will all be in the description box down below. I will also have everything I mentioned in this video linked in the description box as well. So you guys can go shop and you guys can just like find everything down there. Super easy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.